Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
The 7 Minutes Theory, a glimpse into the dying brain. The 7 Minutes Theory is a captivating and widely discussed concept suggesting that the human brain remains active for approximately 7 minutes after the heart stops beating, potentially allowing for a final surge of consciousness and a replay of life's most significant memories. This notion has gained traction in popular culture, sparking philosophical discussions and finding its way into artistic expressions. While the precise 7-minute time frame is more of a popular belief than a scientifically proven fact, emerging research into the neurobiology of death provides a fascinating, albeit limited, window into the brain's final moments. At the heart of this theory lies the idea of life recall, a phenomenon where an individual's life is said to flash before their eyes in the moments preceding death. This experience is often associated with near-death experiences and has long been a subject of intrigue. The scientific lens on the dying brain. Recent scientific investigations have begun to shed light on the activity of the brain as life ceases. A notable study published in 2022 documented the brain waves of an 87-year-old epilepsy patient who suffered a fatal heart attack while being monitored with an electroencephalogram, EEG. For about 30 seconds before and after the patient's heart stopped, the EEG recorded a surge in specific brainwave patterns, known as gamma oscillations. These patterns are similar to those observed during memory recall, meditation, and dreaming. This groundbreaking, albeit single-case observation, suggests that the brain may indeed be capable of a coordinated and heightened state of activity in the moments surrounding death. Researchers have hypothesized that this surge could be linked to a final, vivid recollection of memories. However, it is crucial to note that this study does not confirm a 7-minute duration of consciousness, nor can it definitively prove the subjective experience of the individual. The scientific community remains cautious about drawing firm conclusions from such limited data. The experience of consciousness is deeply personal and, as of now, impossible to record or verify in a deceased person. The 7 minutes figure itself is not a scientifically established time frame, but rather a popularly circulated number that likely arose from an amalgamation of findings and anecdotal accounts. The romantic and philosophical allure. Beyond the realm of scientific inquiry, the 7 Minutes Theory holds a powerful romantic and philosophical appeal. It offers a comforting thought that in our final moments, we are not met with an abrupt end but rather a meaningful and personal epilogue. The idea that our lives could be encapsulated and re-experienced in a final, fleeting montage of memories has resonated with many, providing a sense of closure and a testament to the significance of our lived experiences. This concept has been explored in various forms of media, from films and literature to personal blogs and social media discussions, often portraying it as a moment of profound self-reflection and a final farewell to life. A different 7 minutes. The time management method. It is important to distinguish the 7 Minutes Theory of post-mortem brain activity from an unrelated concept known as the 7-minute life. The latter is a time management and productivity methodology developed by Alison Lewis. This system advocates for dedicating 2 7-minute periods each day, one in the morning and one in the evening, to planning, organizing, and reflecting on one's goals and priorities. The aim of the 7-minute life is to enhance focus, productivity, and overall life satisfaction through small, consistent daily habits. This practical life coaching tool shares no connection with the neurological theory about the end of life. In conclusion, while the 7 Minutes Theory, as a precise, scientifically validated phenomenon, remains speculative, it is rooted in intriguing preliminary scientific observations. It continues to capture the public imagination, offering a compelling narrative about the final moments of human consciousness and the enduring power of memory.